Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to disable caps lock notification on screen. To start, you are going to open Settings from Start. Now click on Accessibility and then open the keyboard option. There, disable the toggle keys switch. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.